Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Knight Central here, and today I am coming at you with another review. I am going to be reviewing my mini multi-tool. So, as you guys can see, it comes with a nice fabric pouch, to carry pouch, and on the back there is a belt loop option, so you guys can carry it on your belt. So when you open it up, the first thing you will notice is the key ring, so you do have the option to put it on your keys, which is great. Let's open it up like this. So the pliers are needle nose style. They work rather well. And on the bottom, as you guys can see, it is like a line cutter. Like you guys can use it to cut, fishing line and other string types of materials. The pliers are spring powered, which is nice, so you don't have to keep, moving your thumb back to keep getting at whatever you guys are doing in work. So when you open it up, it comes with a can opener. Another thing it comes with is the bottle opener. And lastly on this side is a small flathead screwdriver. On the other side is a dual file. I believe this side is for nails and the other side is for wood. Next is a larger flathead screwdriver attachment here. And lastly is, of course, a knife, which is around 1.5 inches. So you're going to put that down like that. So that was pretty much it. Overall, on a rating, I would give this a 7 out of 10. I mean, it is pretty cheap. It's around like $15 to $20. And the only thing I don't like about it is it comes with 6 attachments, and I don't like how they put a bottle opener and a can opener in there, because I kind of think that's a waste, and they could have put something better in it, like maybe a Phillips head screwdriver attachment or something else like that that's better. And I do like that it comes with a nice little pouch for carrying and stuff. That is nice. So, yep, that was my review on my mini multi-tool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.